Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. In this week's Crypto Roundup, the Federal Reserve decision reverberated across virtual asset markets, igniting a surge in prices. However, US-based spot Bitcoin ETFs faced significant outflows. The week's top 10 includes MicroStrategy's move led by the Michael Saylor, who propelled its Bitcoin holdings, while Coinbase Derivatives announced plans to introduce futures for the DogeCoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash amplified market enthusiasm. We have a lot to cover in this special segment, but first, let's get started with Shubham Joshi about the developments in the crypto markets.
VDA prices spiked during the later part of the week following the Federal Reserve's decision to keep the central bank's benchmark rate between 5.25% and 5.5%, pushing back investors' hope of a more dovish pivot for markets in the near term. Will the US-based spot Bitcoin ETFs experience 3 consecutive days of net outflows totaling $742 million? When we talk about Bitcoin, it is impossible not to consider the moves of Michael Saylor-led Bitcoin development company. Well, MicroStrategy, led by Michael Saylor, completed a convertible bond sale worth $604 million using the proceeds to acquire the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Well, MicroStrategy also purchased 9,245 Bitcoins valued at $623 million, increasing its total holdings to around 214,246 Bitcoins worth $12.2 billion. That's a big amount. There is a lot of trading activity on the exchanges. Coinbase Derivative plans to launch cash-settled future contracts for DogeCoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, expanding the trading options for the investors. The announcement of future contracts led to a surge in DogeCoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, which sent the prices higher. Well, asset management behemoth BlackRock recently unveiled its tokenized asset fund on the Ethereum network earlier in the week. To know more about what's happening in the crypto space, we have with us Mr. Vikram Subburaj.
Now, the market is a bit volatile. You would have noticed from where Bitcoin reached a peak of 72K, it went down to 60K. Now it is settling down somewhere at 66,000 levels. And Ethereum is currently at $3,500 levels. So there could be a lot of queries that, why this is happening and where the market is heading. So it has been majorly due to the Grayscale BTC ETF. It has seen a lot of outflows. As a matter of fact, ever since GBTC came into being, the ETF came into being, we are noticing a lot of outflows from the ecosystem. The months which are going to follow post-halving, you're going to see a lot of stability and price gains that are happening. And as most of the analysts quoted, we are seeing stand chart quoting somewhere around, by year end, BTC could reach a top of 250K and then settle down to somewhere around 150, 180K is what stand chart analysts have quoted. And now on the Ethereum front as well, a lot of great news coming in Ethereum, especially the ETF news. So that is a positive impact that Ethereum will definitely be having, and it will also help improve the ratio of ETH BTC, which is again gaining as months pass by.
Well, from markets to the NFT sector, which is undergoing a seismic shift with eye-catching transactions and record-breaking fundraisers reshaping the digital realms. Recent events underscores the enduring allure of the NFTs, exemplified by the sale of Dog Hat Ethereum NFT, while another CryptoPunks NFT fetched $16 million, emphasizing NFTs' pivotal role in the redefining digital ownership. Ruchi Sharma joins us with more details.
The sale of the Dog Hat NFT showcases collectors' eagerness to invest in unique digital art on Ethereum. It highlights NFTs as a lucrative avenue for artists to monetize their work and for collectors to acquire exclusive assets. This transaction reflects investor confidence in NFTs' long-term value, affirming their position as a growing asset class in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Milady's meme coin presale achieved remarkable success, raising significant funds in just 2 hours. This rapid fundraising underscores investor enthusiasm for novel cryptocurrency ventures despite market volatility. The strong support from the crypto community demonstrates the influence of online networks in driving project adoption. The success of the presale signals a positive market sentiment towards meme-based cryptocurrencies, hinting at potential lucrative returns for early investors. The recent sale of a CryptoPunk NFT for more than $16 million highlights the lasting appeal and cultural importance of these digital collectibles. Emphasizing scarcity and exclusivity, CryptoPunk maintains the coveted status among collectors. The substantial price tag reflects ongoing speculation and investment in the NFT sector, revealing investor appetite for high-value transactions and the potential for lucrative returns on investment. To get more clarity on the current NFT market situation, let's cut across to our special guest.
We see a bit of an uptick in the NFT market. There's increased interest, but I think that recent uptick is attributable in large part to the fact that Bitcoin is pumping. There's a lot more interest in the industry at large, cryptocurrency in general, and that's increased capital, flowing to NFTs.
Well, from NFTs, let's understand what's happening in the world of Metaverse. According to a report, in 2023, the Metaverse witnessed explosive growth, reaching a record-breaking $19.26 billion in global revenue, driven by a surge in demand for the gaming and the decentralization economy. Major industry giants such as Disney, Apple, Siemens, and Nvidia are seizing the Metaverse opportunity, while leading vendors like Accenture and Siemens reported significant growth, underscoring the Metaverse's transformative potential in reshaping the digital experience. Vishakha Thakur joins in with more details.
Metaverse revenue experienced a significant 6.2% increase in 2023, highlighting the escalating momentum in the digital landscape. While this increasing demand for core products focused on gaming workflows and digitization initiatives drove the surge in Metaverse revenue. The substantial revenue growth underscores the expanding opportunities and potential within the Metaverse ecosystem, attracting interest from major industry players. Simultaneously, Disney, Apple, Siemens, and Nvidia's active involvement in the Metaverse underscores its growing relevance and potential across various sectors, while these companies' entry into the Metaverse signals recognition of the significant opportunities for innovation, engagement, and revenue generation within the digital realm. The participation of major players amplifies the momentum and legitimacy of Metaverse, encouraging further investment and development in the space. And not to forget, leading vendors like Accenture and Siemens experienced a substantial 13% growth in Metaverse-related services in 2023, reflecting the increasing demand for specialized offerings. While the growth in services underscores the importance of tailored solutions in supporting businesses, Metaverse initiatives driving efficiency and facilitating digital transformation. The success of these vendors highlights the evolving dynamics of Metaverse market, with service providers playing a crucial role in shaping its growth trajectory and ecosystem development. We also have Mr. Akhil Damodaran, founder of Ethereum, joining us today, who will share insights on the overall Metaverse sector.
The main trigger in the last 1 year, if I would say, first Disney's investment towards Metaverse. So they have Volatile, which is a very important breakthrough. Apart from that, gamification in Metaverse increased a lot, which in terms of the number of users who are working on gamification in the Metaverse sector. And apart from that, you also have users who are working on NFTs, blockchain, and integration with Metaverse, which has gone much higher in the last in 1 year. Apart from that, if you look at the Nvidia, which is providing the chipset now, they have come out with a huge amount of platform integrations that you have integration with Apple Vision Pro. You can have digital twin through it, and they are giving the platform improvements. I think Vishakha, the next 1 year is going to be a huge thing for Metaverse.
Well, from the Metaverse, let's understand what's happening in the world of decentralized finance. The environment is changing quickly. In little more than a month, Solana's total value locked increased by over 80%, signaling a turning point for the decentralized finance ecosystem. Let's listen in.
Solana's total value locked has soared by over 80% in just a month, reaching its highest level in 2 years, showcasing its rising prominence in the DeFi space. And now Solana-based decentralized exchanges now boast higher trading volumes than Ethereum counterparts, signaling a significant shift in DeFi trading dynamics. Market participants believe that Solana's surge underscores its growing importance in the DeFi ecosystem, capturing the attention of market observers and investors alike. 1inch Network's edition of the Lumia liquidity network taps into major centralized exchanges like Binance and KuCoin, blurring the lines between centralized and decentralized finance. Lumia's integration aims to amplify liquidity provision, offering users improved liquidity and pricing in the DeFi space. The integration of Lumia represents a significant development in DeFi, highlighting the sector's continuous evolution and innovation. Valar's introduction of Dharma represents the integration of traditional assets like Bitcoin into the DeFi ecosystem, unlocking untapped liquidity and trading opportunities. Dharma facilitates on-chain token trading and improves Bitcoin's DeFi liquidity, marking a significant milestone in realizing Bitcoin's full DeFi potential. Sector analysts believe that Valar's initiative underscores the ongoing innovation and evolution within the DeFi space, paving the way for further integration of traditional assets and expansion of decentralized finance.
Well, a lot's happening in the gaming sector with the Game Developers Conference, which happened in San Francisco, featuring India Game Developer Conference, marking the first time IGDC attended a Game Developers Conference. My colleague Shikha Singh joins us to give more details about this. Thank you.
Alright, so India Game Developer Conference set to showcase India's gaming market potential at Game Developer Conference 2024 with an India pavilion showcasing the industry's $3 billion revenue in FY23. The industry is also expected to compound at a 15.6% annual growth rate in the coming 5 years, reaching a revenue of $7 billion by FY28. Exhibitors from Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune and Nagaland will showcase their products and services. GDC 2024 will feature an Indian pavilion, a global game development community and panel discussions featuring programmers, artists, producers, game designers, audio professionals and business leaders. The India pavilion also includes real money gaming company and Winzo. This cross-pollination of ideas will help the industry tackle its issues and broader problems. Apart from GDC, this week the Web3 gaming industry is also flushed with funds, with gaming studio Carbonated raising $11 million, Metascene's developers securing a $10 million in Series A funding round, Blockers raising $4 million pre-seed for a blockchain-enabled service, and Modular Layer 2 blockchain Eclipse raising $50 million. And the deal of the week was Immutable and King River Capital raising $100 million for Inevitable Games Fund with Polygon Lab support. So it's crystal clear that the funding rounds are part of a larger trend in the industry. Crypto gaming, a significant narrative in the previous market cycle, has seen renewed investment, and RON traded near $5, reaching its all-time high this month and made a huge comeback. However, the underperformance of established tokens like Axie Infinity and Sand contrasts with rapid rise of newcomers like RON and Beam, raising critical questions about the future of crypto gaming. And today we have invited a very special guest with us, Mr. Nikhil Matre, who will tell us how the larger cryptocurrencies are impacting the gaming tokens.
With the surge in the crypto price, blockchain sector will benefit tremendously, including the Web3 gaming sector. Generally, during bullish markets, what we have seen is these users tend to engage with concepts like play to earn, concepts like Web3 games, etc. And this leads to a significant increase in the number of users. Now, GameFi tokens explode. Specific cryptocurrencies which are tied to play to earn will also explode. But eventually, for Web3 gaming sector to succeed in a big way or in the long haul, it all comes down to the basics. And the basics are to keep improving their product and to keep growing their community, irrespective of where the Bitcoin price is.
Well, that's all there is in this special segment of Weekly Wrap. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates from the world of Web3. Thank you.